Are you losing hair or thinning in some areas of the scalp?
Is your hairline receding or worse, nakakalbo ka na ba?
And do you have any ideas on who to ask for help if you encounter problems with your hair?
In this channel, we will talk about hair transplantation, the hair, the scalp, the skin, and everything in between.
We can show you how hair transplant and other forms of therapies help in managing your hair loss concern. Good day everyone! Magandang araw po! This is officially our first hair transplant YouTube vlog. I'm Dr. Teresa Marie Reyes Cacas, or Dr. Reese for short.
And I am Dr. Jean Reyes Marquez, or Doc Jean for short. We are your board-certified dermatologist and hair transplant specialist here at Hairtranspantph.
Before we forget, if hair loss concerns you, a friend, a family member, or if you just have great interest in this topic, join our discussions by clicking the subscribe button below.
Okay, so this episode will all be about introductions. So, bakit nga ba hair transplantation ang napili natin para sa channel na ito?
It is because hair loss is a very common concern among people. In fact, it is said that at age 50, 50% of the population will be having some form of hair-related problems. It can happen here, sa frontal area, sa sides, sa back, sa top, or it can also happen in a generalized manner.
Hair loss problem can happen to everyone. There's no gender or racial predilection. It can happen also at any age or stage in your life. So, the best way to prevent it is an early detection. Like in any other diseases, prevention and early detection would be the key.
You have to know who to approach for management and familiarize yourself with the different medical and surgical treatments for hair loss so that you can decide better.
So, sino nga ba ang dapat lapitan ng ating mga patients if they have hair loss problems?
You know, Doc Jean, your best bet will be your board-certified dermatologist. Baka hindi alam ng iba, dermatology concerns not only the skin but also the hair and the nails. And then if you warrant further management, then your derma can refer you to a hair specialist.
Correct. We, the Marc Medic team, are board-certified dermatologists and we specialize in hair transplant surgery.
The team is composed of 5 to 7 people who possess the skills, the patience, the willingness, and the compassion to provide our patients with great hair transplant results. What's also important is that a hair transplant clinic would have to be in practice long enough for them to experience the quirks involved in hair transplantation.
Hair transplantation is a very specialized field in dermatology. It has its own principles to follow, rules, and our own materials and technology.
It has advantages, shortcomings, and should be delivered by well-trained individuals because having this procedure will greatly impact the rest of your life.
And luckily, yes, quality hair transplantation is available in the Philippines and it will gain more popularity in the years to come. Because why not? When the hair is in fact everyone's crowning glory.
Tama! Kaya samahan niyo na lang po kami in other episodes and discover how we can help in your hair loss journey. Next, we'll be discussing common symptoms of hair disorders or ano nga ba ang mga manifestasyon ng isang pasyenteng may problema sa buhok. Till our next episode, we're always here for you.